Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and it is the beautiful Jarma Box. This is what it looks like. Really heavy, always jam-packed full of products. It's a pajama and beauty subscription box. It's a seasonal box and it ships worldwide, which I know will appeal to a lot of you lot that are watching my advent calendar unboxings, especially the advent calendars that don't ship out of the UK, which I feel really bad for you, but hopefully you will like this. I would definitely recommend this box. It's so good. This is their autumn box and it costs £60. There's free shipping within the UK and then shipping is calculated at checkout based on your country. If you just want a pair of pyjamas, you can do so for £30, which is really great. Plus I believe you can have a one-off box as well. Inside you'll get a set of pyjamas. They range from a UK size 6 to a UK size 22 and they recommend that if you want a pair of pyjamas that are on the looser side, then go up a size. They do have a 14-day exchange policy, which I think is amazing. So if the pyjamas don't fit you for whatever reason, you are able to exchange them. There's lots of information on their website. I will pop a link down below in my description to this box, to an information page, and I have a discount code as well. Well, I normally do. They normally put it in the box. They haven't given it this time, but I'll message them and they will come back to me what the code is, and that will entitle you to some freebies if you do subscribe. They also do a reward scheme where you can collect points and then those points change into credit so that you can use against any purchases off their website. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away. But yeah, I'm going to be trying on these pyjamas at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around and see what they look like on me. But let's get on to showing you what's inside. Look, it's jam-packed, absolutely jam-packed. So we've got a card here, give you a sneak peek of what the pyjamas look like. And then you've got two QR codes. One tells you about the products in the box and the other tells you about your rewards and how you can claim credits and things like that. Starting off with Murad, this is a cleanser. This is a gorgeous cleanser. I've used this many times. It's the Essential C cleanser, environmental shield, and there's 200 mils here. Formulated with vitamin A, C and E, this energizing cleansing gel helps remove pollution and other impurities without over drying skin. You can use it AM and PM. And yeah, I love a cleanser that has vitamin C in it. I love any skincare that has vitamin C in it, but this is a really nice one. And yeah, it's a nice big size. Then we've got Temple Spa. I'm not too familiar with Temple Spa. This is a toning essence, essential mist tonic without the alcohol, balances and soothes. It contains tomato, basil and melon for all skin types, 150 mils. Mediterranean skin refreshment. I bet it smells amazing. Wonderfully calming, soothing and full to the brim with goodness to ensure pores are refined, toned and hydrated. It's quite an essential skin treatment. Toning essence has a light refreshing texture and the fragrance is inspired by a Mediterranean summer salad. The ingredients list is straight from the market. Tomato, lemon, orange, melon, rosemary, basil, mandarin, lime, ginger. It'll leave your skin stinging. Oh no, you don't want you don't want a spray that leaves your skin stinging. No, it will leave your skin singing. It's blimmin' dyslexia. Okay, well I'm going to have to spray it. Well, before I do that, 'cause I do have a bit of a history of spraying first and then I get shocked because it's such powerful spray. So we'll just do it here just to... I don't know. No, that's fine. Oh my gosh, I just love sprays. Oh, I can smell the basil. The smell is just so nice. It is so nice. I know I'm putting it on top of makeup, but I don't care. That is so nice. Wow, it smells amazing. If you've tried any other products from this brand, let me know what you think or what you'd recommend. I've only ever tried little samples before, ages ago in a beauty box. Next, we've got some Nutri-Gums. This is delicious nighttime gummies, food supplement containing chamomile, lemon balm, lavender, griffonia, I've never heard of that, and L-theanine. There's a 2-month supply here. Adults and children over 12 take one gummy about 30 minutes before you go to bed. So as with anything, you have to be careful with what other medications and things you take. I take a lot of supplements, so I'm going to have to read into this a little bit more. I'm sure I've had these before. I'm sure. Oh, no, I don't want one now because it's not night time. Not that I expect them to really knock me out, but who knows? It could well do, couldn't it? Then we've got Philip Kingsley. This is Bond Builder. It repairs, strengthens and protects. A split end remedy. And there's 50 mils. Bond Builder Split End Remedy helps to protect and strengthen existing bonds and repair broken ones while instantly sealing split ends for stronger, visibly healthier hair with results which last for up to 3 washes. Wow. It forms a shield on the hair, helping to prevent future damage caused by UV, pollution and heated silent oils. This sounds so good, doesn't it? I don't think I've ever tried it. Bond Builder. Maybe they've got a Bond Builder shampoo and conditioner. That's where I recognise it, but I don't think I've had this one. It just says apply more to thicker hair. But yeah, I'll definitely give that a go. My hair is not in great shape at the moment. No, not after me ripping my hair extensions out the other day. Not a good thing. I've just found out that there's a hair salon near me and they remove tape-in extensions for £30. So I think if ever I do it again, I swear I'm never going to do it again. But if I do, then I think I'll pay £30 to have it removed by a professional. We got This Works. This is Stress Check Mood Changer, a motion activated aromatherapy spray to create a soothing and balanced atmosphere. And there's 75 mils there. An innovative delivery system allows ylang ylang, neroli and patchouli essential oils to be gradually released as you go about your day to help keep your stress in check and help maintain a sense of well-being throughout the day. Okay, spritz this mood balancing aromatherapeutic super blend over yourself or the environment during moments of stress or pressure. Ooh, oh, I did it on my face. Okay. Yeah, I have had this before. But it's something I just don't ever use. I don't think, oh, I'm a bit stressed. Grab the spray. I wish I could. I just don't remember that I've got half these products. But I'm sure I've had a little mini one. It sounds really great, doesn't it? That might be a good one to pop in my handbag as opposed to keeping it at home because I'm more likely to use it if it's in my handbag. There's 12 beauty products in this box. There's loads to go. We've got LUXUARY. This is hand and nail cream almond. This is beautiful. I love LUXUARY, their hand creams. They are really, really nice. This one is sealed. I'm not going to open it actually because I've just opened another one in my last unboxing video. As I got a full size one, I will pass that on. Then we have got NUX. This is Clean Hands Gel, Honey Fragrance. Oh, I love the NUX Honey Lip Balm. I love that. I've bought that a few times. It's one of my favourite lip balms. Well, let's give this a go then. Has this got a seal? No. Okay. Woo! It's splashing everywhere. I've got it on my face now. Okay. Very subtle honey smell. It actually feels quite nice for a hand gel. Sometimes you apply it on your skin and it's like, whoa, you can feel the alcohol is getting in there and it's drying up your skin. But no, this one is quite nice. Yeah, I like that. A clean hands gel. 30 mils if I didn't already say. Oh, we got the lip balm. This is the NUX Honey Lip Balm. Oh wow, I got another one. This is so nice. I'm going to keep this. Normally my daughter goes through my boxes with me afterwards. Can I have that? Can I have that? Can I have that? No. I love this. It's so, so good. There. I can't put it on my lips now. Oh, can I? A little bit. My lips are a bit dry. So we got a NUX Honey Lip Balm there. Next we got a hand mask from Margaret Dabbs and this is Pure Hands, 35 mils. Oh, it's nice to see actually a proper hand mask as opposed to like a sheet mask then, not sheet as such, but like your gloves where you put your hands in. This is a proper mask. You've got a little spatula. And yeah, what's it look like? Ooh, I was expecting it to have a seal. It doesn't, but yeah, there. Oh, it looks really lovely. Ooh, really wobbly. The Advanced Luxurious Overnight Hand Mask is a potent serum that helps to visibly plump and recharge the skin of the hands overnight as you sleep. Apply a small amount onto the back of clean, dry hands every night before you go to sleep. Slip into the treatment gloves and leave on overnight for the mask to fully absorb into the skin. I'm just double checking. No, there's none in there. So maybe this is like a little travel mini. I don't know, unless there is supposed to be gloves in here as well, but just in my box there isn't. But anyway, as long as it doesn't, you know, sit on your hands, you go to bed and you've got a load of cream all over your hands, then anything you touch you're going to stick to, aren't you? If it doesn't do that, great. But otherwise you'd need to buy yourself some gloves if your box doesn't contain the gloves, just to stop the mess really. But no, I really like that. It's a little bit different. Next we've got Almond. This is a shower gel to go with the hand cream. This is by LUXUARY and there's 75 mils there. This is gorgeous, really, really nice. I've used this many times. So shower gel. Then we've got Eradicate. This is a blemish treatment. There's 30 mils here. I've already got one of these. so I'll be passing this on. It's really good at stopping like itchiness. I don't know about you, but sometimes my spots are like cystic acne and you've got a big lump under the skin and it's throbbing and it's like, oh, you just want to scratch because of the itchiness and the swelling. This really helps with that. It looks like chamomile lotion, and when it dries on the skin it looks like calamine lotion as well. It might well be just under a different name. But I'm not going to open it. You're not supposed to shake it either, but I'm going to pass this on. And then lastly, of all the beauty products, we've got a space mask. This is a heated mask. I'm not going to open it because as soon as you open it, it starts to activate. It warms up. It lasts for quite a while. Oh, it says here it lasts up to 15 minutes, but no, it lasts longer than that. It's really great if you've got headaches, but really nice just to chill, lie down, nice warming sensation and not too hot either. Yeah, I really like these. So those are all the beauty items. We've got a space mask, a heated eye mask. We've got a L'Occitane shower gel, a L'Occitane hand and nail cream. We got a Kate Somerville, a blemish treatment solution. We got a NUX clean hand gel. We got a NUX lip balm in honey. We got a Margaret Dabbs hand mask. We got a Stress Check mood manager from This Works. We got a Philip Kingsley bond builder, a Temple Spa toning essence, Nutrigums nighttime gummies, and Murad Essential C cleanser. And then lastly, we got the pajamas. These look so lovely. I love the stars and moons. It's so nice. They're in black and beige. Is it black or is it navy? No, black and beige. And I got them in an extra large. Extra large is around a 16 to an 18. I'm a 16 to 18 and I'm 5'9". So when you see me, that's my size. So just to give you an idea of what it's like. But yeah, look. It's so pretty. I really, really like them. They're gorgeous. You've got a little pocket and the long sleeve. Button through all the way down. And then the bottoms then. Very elasticated waist. They're adjustable as well, so I can loosen that if I wanted to. And they've got pockets. I love pockets. And these are the bottoms as well. Nice stretchy material. What is the fabric? I keep forgetting. 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So yeah, so I'm going to try them on and show you what they look like. So those are all the items inside the gorgeous autumn Jarma box. Loads of beauty products, has a value of over £200, plus obviously you've got the pajamas as well, and it ships worldwide. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of the subscription? Have you subscribed yet? Are you a regular subscriber, or are you hearing about this for the first time? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.